today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark to your document using Microsoft Word. This is a handy feature when you want to mark a document as confidential, denote it as a draft, or simply customize it with a logo. Let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this effortlessly. First, you'll want to open the Word document you plan to work with. Go ahead and locate the document on your computer, and once you've found it, double-click to open it in Microsoft Word. When your document is open, take a moment to scan through and make sure it's the correct one you wish to modify. This process will apply a watermark to the entire document, so you want to ensure everything's in order. Once your document is ready, head over to the top of the Word window where you'll see various tabs such as Home, Insert, Draw, and more. You'll want to locate the Design tab, so click on it to bring up several options that can help enhance the visual style of your document. Within this Design tab, your point of interest will be the Page Background group. It's here where you'll find the Watermark option. Now click on Watermark and you'll notice a selection of predefined watermarks will appear. These options include text like confidential and draft, among other styles. This selection is quite versatile and can fit a variety of professional needs. When you select one of these options, it will automatically apply to your document. But what if you have a specific watermark in mind, perhaps a custom text or an image like a company logo? Microsoft Word caters to these preferences as well. After clicking on Watermark, look for the option that allows you to custom watermark. Here you can opt to either insert a picture or type in your own text for the watermark. If it's an image you're after, ensure you have the file saved on your computer, and then proceed to upload it in this section. For text, type the desired watermark text and customize the font, size, and color to your liking. Once you've decided on your watermark, whether it's one of the predefined options or a custom one you've created, Word will place it across all the pages in your document by default. However, should you wish to place it on specific pages only, you'll need to tweak your document further to exclude particular sections. And there you have it. Adding a watermark to your Word document is as simple as a few clicks in the right places. This feature ensures your documents are appropriately marked, enhancing their professionalism and clarity. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to explore and customize as needed to best fit your document's purpose.